veletrhu v Bad Kissingenu byla zase spousta super expedičních aut a jedno z nich jsme prolezli fakt detailně. Dneska ti ukážeme vychytaný expediční Mercedes od španělské firmy Torax. Mark začal prohlídku v koupelně, která se umí na sprchování zmenšit. I bez plesnivého závěsu tak zajistili, abys při sprchování nezlil úplně všechno, včetně záchodu a zrcadla. Hlavním prostorem tohohle traku je kuchyně a Mark nám teď ukáže skrytý sezení.
We have here another table. We have a seat, and you can sit here comfortable. And if you want something in the freezer, it's easy. Then you have a lot of space, and when you close the drawer is automatically lock. Okay, easy to clean. You have more storage here.
The owner of the brown Labrador Retriever, please pick
Okay,
up the door
you have and
close the
6
front
drawers like
entrance.
this,
Thank you.
big ones. Have a big one, the storage here, a big one drawer. You have one here, another ones. You have more here.
Obývací zóna je potom vzadu a skrývá taky několik vychytávek.
This area you can choose the area that you want. In this case, the owner wants a great sofa, comfortable, and because you have it's like a house. Okay. And then
That's great.
we design a big table. In the future we put here a column and a sliding table here. You can move wherever that you want. Okay, and then also if you want to eat something here, you can. And when you finish use your table and you want to read, and you can do. And then the table put inside. Here we have a sensor. You have a sensor here, and if someone in the middle of the night want to go to the toilet, and the sensor open the lights underneath the furnitures. It's automatic system. Okay, and for example, you can open the lights. Okay. Then we have two different systems heating the box and the house. You can see it's more like a teeny house. Okay, we have air heating system. Okay, and we have a convectors. Convectors is like a radiator.
Yeah.
Okay. Then that's we use because if you in the middle of the winter arrive and you have a call, of course that is difficult because you can program it and it's he hitting himself. Okay, but if you never arrive and you want to hitting the area fast, you can use the both at the same time. Okay, and the heating air system it's works super fast.
Faster,
yeah.
But it's drying air. This system is much comfortable.
Exactly, and more during the night because then you never hear the fan.
Exactly.
You know,
it's completely silent.
Exactly. Then and we use these eco panels. Okay, this is acoustic insulation. Okay, this product used a lot in a theater, cinemas. Okay, and it's really nice and works super well.
Trochu netradiční je i výkonný průtokový ohřev vody.
That's it's super cool because you can use 800 liters if you want with hot water. No, it's a boiler and only have 15. If you want take a shower 20 people, you can do.
Okay.
You know, we have 11 kilowatts lithium power batteries.
Nice.
Okay. And then we have another generator. It's 8 kilowatts power. okay, and because every day more people use e-bikes, and every day the people want more commodity, you know, and he want to recharge the two bikes in the same time and put the air condition and put the washing machine and the Thermomix cooking and the oven, and you can make wherever, no? And then if needs the more power, automatically the generator start to work, no? All of our devices and the heating systems can work at high altitude, okay, until 5,000 meters high.
Much higher than me.
Yeah, and me together.
Yeah. Okay, what I see here, so the electricity is used also for cooking, so you have induction cooking plates here.
Yeah.
So really, you need a lot of, but yeah, that's the trend. You need a lot of power. I guess you have also some solar roof or something.
Yeah, in the solar roof you have 4 panels. You can put 6 if you want, but we decide put 4 because then we can put a big window roof. Okay, the biggest, and the solar panels we have 4, and each solar panel have 330. Okay, and then you have 4, and it's
that's the standard panel what you have on the,
it's
on your
whisper
house.
power. It's it's whisper power, and it's all the same brand.
Wait a second, what we are missing right now, so that's the bed. So here you can sleep as well if you like, but the main bed is here.
Yeah. You have a 2 big size beds, and if you want only 1 bed and 2 single beds, you can do also.
Can you offer also some, let's say, dividers for more privacy, something like that?
Yeah. Here it's a small track. But depends, yeah. No, it's like a house, but not in a space. When we speak about the space, you know, and you have a privacy with your family, you know.
Exactly.
It's
I think
different.
it's not like a small house. I think it's like a standard yacht.
Yeah, you have a lot of windows because for us it's important the natural light comes and you feel better, you know.
Definitely.
And this is a good windows for us, and for different reasons. You can open like this, and this is easy to clean if never you need to clean the windows and the glasses. Then another thing is you can put in whatever position, but you can close completely. If you want to breathe a little bit the track during the night or whatever, you can put. It's 3 points lock, okay, then that is safety also, okay, and have a system, the double glass, when if you arrive at 5,000 meters high and the pressure compensates, because the other way, if you don't have this system, the glass explodes. Here we have the fridge, a big one, and the freezer. Okay, 220 liters of capacity. Okay, and then when you travel, easy to lock also. Only 1 piece. Okay.
And which material is made?
Yeah, this is Korean. Okay, Korean used in the all the kitchens. Okay,
It's like
then
in-house,
we prefer Korean. Of course, it's more expensive, but then you can cut the here or take something hot and put on. Okay, and looks super cool. All our devices, it's in this area. A lot of other companies use these areas for put them at
storage.
Storage, but then it's difficult because if you have a big thing or a heavy thing, no, it's the best place to put. Okay.
Yeah, definitely.
Yeah, and then you need to go and tie it. No, and it's the best place. You know. In this case, we use this one. Okay.
Wow, it's like a garage.
Yeah, it's like a garage. you can see we have a lot of storage here. Okay, you can open. Okay.
Yeah.
Then here, if you have a heavy things, it's easy. You can put here, and you can design with this aluminum profile. You can design wherever that you want. Okay. If you want to put here, for example, the skis, and you want all these parts free, you can put another one here, and you can do. If you want to put a big washing machine here, you can, or bicycles or whatever that you want. Okay, then here you have two spare tires. Okay, and here is we can make a platform or whatever for a motorbike or whatever that you need. And when we close this one, and when you put in the finally position goes up, okay, and this is lying inside, okay, then these ones arrive until here,
Understand.
okay, and lock the hydraulic system. Then the heavy, this is you can put 3 tones, okay, and then when you slide in and lock, the hydraulic system doesn't work.
So even when there will be a failure of the hydraulic system, it's still on the place.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Here you have the hydraulic system, and if never something happen, you can use the manual pump. Okay, and for us is the best option, because if you travel wherever you want in Africa or whatever, hydraulic system, you know, all the big machines use hydraulic system. Then it's easy to looking for and found it the spare parts, you know.
Yeah, definitely.
And well, it's the hydraulic system. The big machinery use every day 1,000 times, and here you only use 10 times or 20.
Když vidíme, kolik je tady úložného prostoru, napadá nás ještě jedna důležitá otázka. One more question regarding the weight of the truck. In this configuration as it is, how much weight?
In this configuration, it's around 14 tons.
14? 1-4.
Yeah, exactly.
It's not so much.
No, of course.
It's not so much. Yeah. Okay. And okay. And the base, let's say the vehicle
Is Mercedes Arocs. Okay, but you can choose the brand that you want. Of course, our business is the box, not sell the trucks.
Understand. So you can build the same even on Tatra truck.
A Tatra, or you can buy a second-hand truck.
Yeah.
Whatever that you want.
Yeah. Nice.
Of course. Super.
The final last question, of course, about the price for such a,
Of
let's
course,
say,
the money.
without truck, let's say.
I think it's less than you're thinking.
Okay.
And this truck is 800,000 euros.
800,000. So in this case, including the vehicle.
Of course,
Yeah.
of course.
It's great.
Just give you the keys and start to travel.
Okay. So give me the keys. I will pay later. Trust me, I will pay later.
Not yet.
Mark,
Mark.
thank you very much.
You're welcome. Thank you.